A magnet is an object that attracts or repels other magnetic materials with its magnetic field. Properties of a magnet are: when suspended freely, a magnet rests in a north-south direction. North pole of the magnet points towards the north, while south pole of the magnet points towards the south. Like poles of a magnet repel while the unlike poles of a magnet attract each other. The magnets are of different shapes and sizes. Magnetism was first discovered by shepherd named Magnes, who lived in Magnesia, Greece. The iron in his stick and nails had become attracted to the magnetic rock. The stone was named magnetite after the name of the shepherd or the country it was found in. After that, the first scientist to actually make a magnet was actually a physician, Britain's William Gilbert. In 1600, he discovered not only that the earth itself was a magnet, but also that magnets could be forged out of the iron and that their magnetic properties could be lost when that iron was heated. The area around a magnet where the influence of a magnet can be experienced is called magnetic field. It has both magnitude and direction, and it is represented by magnetic lines of force. The three types of artificial magnets are the bar magnets, magnetic needle, and the magnetic compass. The magnetic field lines have various characteristics, like the direction of magnetic field emerges at the north pole and merges at the south pole. However, inside the magnet, the field lines move from the north pole to the south pole. Magnetic field lines are closed curves. The degree of closeness of the field lines determine the relative strength of the magnetic field. The magnetic field lines do not cross each other. Our Earth has its own magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field is approximately a magnetic dipole, with the magnetic field S pole near the Earth's geographic north pole and the other magnetic field N pole near the Earth's geographic south pole. This makes the compass usable for navigation. The cause of the field can be explained by dynamo theory. A magnetic field extends infinitely, though it weakens the distance from its source. The Earth's magnetic field is also called as the geomagnetic field, which effectively extends several tens of thousands of kilometers into the space, and it forms the Earth's magnetosphere. We use magnets in our everyday life, like the refrigerator magnets hold papers, bottle openers, and other small items to the metal refrigerator door. A pocket compass uses a magnetic needle to show which way is north and which way is south. Vacuum cleaners, blenders, and washing machines all have electric motors that work by simple magnetic principles. But somehow a question arises that can magnets be used in space? Yes, magnet can be used in space, unlike a lot of other items you might bring to space that need additional tools or equipments to function. A magnet will work without any extra help. Magnets don't need gravity or air. Instead, their power comes from the electromagnetic field they generate all by themselves. The magnets can last long. The permanent magnet should lose no more than 1% of their magnetic strength over a period of 100 years, provided it is specified and cared for properly. There are a few things that may cause the magnet to lose its strength, like heat and electricity. Now let us move on to electromagnetism. An electric current flowing through a wire produces a magnetic field around the wire, the shape of which depends on the shape of the wire and the current flowing. These magnetic fields can be plotted in the same way as for the permanent magnet, and thus this effect is called as electromagnetism. It is used in very powerful magnets and also to produce the motion from an electric current. These electromagnets have a large number of applications, all of which use the fact that they attract the metals when they are switched on and therefore convert the electric energy to mechanical energy. These magnets are widely used in electric and electromechanical devices like motors and generators, transformers, relays, electric bulbs and buzzers, loudspeakers and headphones, actuators such as valves, magnetic recording and data storage equipment, tape recorders, VCR, hard disks, MRI machines, and many more. The electromagnets are referred to as temporary magnets. This is because the temporary magnets only retain their magnetism while near a permanent magnetic field or electric current. Thus, they require an external force to remain in its magnetized state. This is the reason that the electromagnets are called as temporary magnets.